Hey Team V!
Hello Team V! We know that you know the order of the planets. How do they know the order of the planets?
Because you watched our video. My very excited mother just made us nachos and served.
So we are...
Remember that video, Team V? That was so funny.
So we are going to do a fingerprint craft with the order of the planets. So first you need a piece of white paper.
How many planets are there?
You tell me.
I don't know.
Oh, well, we'll have to find out when we do our craft. We need a black marker and we need different color paints for our planets and our sun. Now we don't need a paintbrush because we're doing this with our finger.
And we don't need a plate.
Funny guy. So first, uncap your marker, get ready.
Yeah.
We are going to write the word sun on our paper. Okay.
Where?
Right over on the side here. S-U-N. Okay, now you're just going to write the initial of each planet. So the first planet starts with the letter M. So do a finger space and write an uppercase or lowercase m. I'm going to do uppercase.
I'm going to do uppercase.
All right, the next planet is a V. So finger space and V.
There.
Finger space. Next planet
Kind
is
of like a check mark.
is an E. I'm going to do an uppercase E.
I'm going to do a lowercase e.
My very excited mother. Next one is an M. Next one is a J. Finger space. S. Finger space. U. And finger space N.
M.
N. Good. Okay, Team V, so now you're going to start with the sun. So get your finger and put it in the yellow.
You're this thing?
Yeah. All right. And now the sun is big, so make it kind of swirly. So we did our fingerprint planet mnemonic, which is my very excited mother just served us nachos. MVEMJSUN. And now let's tell the friends all the planets in order. What's the first planet, the M?
Sun, Mercury.
Yep, and after Mercury, the V is?
Venus.
And then it is?
Our planet
Earth. And after Earth, the M is?
Mars.
After Mars, it is?
Jupiter.
And after Jupiter, it is?
Saturn.
Saturn. After Saturn, the U is?
Uranus.
And after Uranus, it is?
Neptune.
Neptune! Yay! Go do it for yourselves, friends. Let's lightly put it down and do our handshake. 3, 2, 1. Up, down, wiggle, wiggle, pop. Love you guys. Bye.